Hello children, how are you all? I hope you are doing good. Now let us start our social science class. Okay children, so all of you listen. Now all of you take your social studies book and social classwork, pencil, eraser. Take and keep with you. Check fast. Have you taken children? In previous class, we have learned some topics from the third lesson, changes in transport. Have you understood that? I hope you have understood. Now, once we have to recap. Okay, so all of you listen carefully. Okay, children. The first topic, transport. The first topic, transport. Transport means the movement of people from one place to another place is called transport. Not only the humans and also animals, goods from one place to other place is called transport. Okay. Next, means of transport. Means of transport are types of transport. We have 4 types of transport. They are road transport, rail transport, air transport and water transport. Okay, they are 4: road transport, rail transport, air transport and water transport. So we have 4 types of transport. Okay, the road transport can move on the road. Okay, the road transport can move on the road. For some examples, car, bus, bike, scooter, truck. These all the vehicles can move on the road. So these all the vehicles are road transport vehicles. Okay children. Then rail transport. Rail transport, we have 2 categories. Trains are there. Okay, passenger train and goods train. Okay, train run on railway tracks. Okay, the passenger trains can use for move the passenger from one place to other place, and goods trains we can use goods from one place to other place. We are using goods train. Okay, then air transport. Air transport move on sky. Okay, the air transport fly in the sky. For example, helicopter, aeroplane and rocket. These all the vehicles can move in the sky. Okay, so these all the vehicles are air transport. Next, water transport. Water transport sail on the water. Water transport sail on the water. For example, ship, boat. These are water transport. Can you understand children? Okay, and then means of transport and air pollution. Means of transport and air pollution. Nowadays many modern means of transport has come. Yes or no? So our lifestyle has improving, but the many problems, the smoking from vehicles, so adding our air to very humble substances. So our air will pollute too much. Okay, this makes the air pollution. Okay, this is the pollution, air pollution. Next, when we breathe the polluted air, the many diseases has come. That is lung cancer, asthma, BP, like this. Many diseases will come. So no need to breathe the air, polluted air. Okay, so in that time we have to wear mask. Okay. Next, so necessary, when the very important necessary, we have to use motor transport. Otherwise we have to use cycle or whether walking. Otherwise public transport we have to use. Okay, then we can protect our air pure. Okay, so the next, benefits and cycling, walking. Okay, while we go one place to other place, we have using cycling or walking. These two also very good exercise and also fit our body healthy and energy. Okay, so have to use cycling or walking. Okay, So it is a very good exercise and also very important necessary thing. Okay children, can you understand? Can you understand this lesson fully? Okay, I hope you have understood. Now we have to write our remaining classwork. Okay, already we have written some classwork. Yes or no? So now all of you take your social classwork note. We have to write remaining classwork. Take your classwork note children. Already in previous class, third lesson, classwork, missing letter, jumble letter, meanings, these all already we have finished. Yes or no children? Have you written? Yes. So now you have to write, fill in the blanks. Okay. So write today date, all of you. Write today date and day. Fast, write fast and neat. Handwriting should be always neat. Okay. Don't write very fastly. Write slowly and neatly. Your handwriting should be very neat. Okay. Classwork and homework should be very neat. Okay. Write slowly and neatly. Okay. Write fill in the blanks. F-I double L fill. F-I double L fill. Write neatly children. Leave one line and write neatly. F-I double L fill. I-N in. T-H the. B-L-A-N-K-S blanks. B-L-A-N-K-S blanks. Fill in the blanks. Leave one line and write neatly children. All the sentence first letter should be capital. Okay children? You see the slide and write correctly and neatly. Ma'am எங்கெல்லாம் capital letter போட்டிருக்கணும் அங்கெல்லாம் நீயும் capital letter போட்டுக்கோ. சரியா? Then only your note will be very beautiful. Okay? Okay children? See the classwork, see the slide and write correctly and neatly. Okay? First one, leave one line and write Biren Karlwan. Okay, the answer is Biren Karlwan. Biren Karlwan. B-A-R-O-N Bran. B-A-R-O-N Bran. Karlwan. K-A-R-K-A-R-L. Karl. V-O-N. Biren Karlwan. Biren Karlwan. Invented. I-N-V-E-N-T-E-D. Invented the cycle. T-H-E the cycle. C-Y-C-L-E. C-Y-C-L-E. Cycle. Biren Karlwan invented the cycle. Biren Karlwan invented the cycle. B-A-R-O-N Biren Karlwan. K-A-R-L Karl. V-O-N. Biren Karlwan invented the cycle. I-N-V-E-N-T-E-D. Invented the cycle. T-H-E the C-Y-C-L-E. Cycle. Put full stop. Each word you have to leave one finger space. Okay children? ஒவ்வொரு வேர்டுக்கும் நடுவில் ஒரு ஃபிங்கர் ஸ்பேஸ் இருக்கணும். ஒரு சென்டென்ஸ்க்கு இடையில ஒரு ஃபிங்கர் ஒன் லைன் லிவிங் இருக்கணும். ஓகே? And write neatly. First letter should be capital. Okay children? Then second one. Karl Benz. Karl Benz invented the automobile. Karl Benz invented the automobile. Karl Benz invented the automobile. K-A-R-L Karl. K-A-R-L Karl Benz. B-E-N-Z. B-E-N-Z. Karl Benz invented the automobile. I-N-V-E-N-T-E-D. I-N-V-E-N-T-E-D. Invented. T-H-E the automobile. A-U-T-O-M-O-B-I-L-E. automobile, automobile. Carl Benz invented the automobile. Finished? Put full stop. Then third one, leave one line and write third one. James Watt invented the steam engine. James Watt invented the steam engine. Steam engine. James Watt, James, James, Watt. James Watt, James, James, Watt. James Watt invented, 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 invented the the steam engine, steam, steam engine, engine, steam engine, engine, steam engine. James Watt invented the steam engine. Finished? Put full stop. Then leave one line and write fourth one. Fourth one, Wright brothers invented the aeroplane. Wright brothers invented the aeroplane. Wright brothers invented the aeroplane. W-R-I-G-H-T, Wright. W-R-I-G-H-T, Wright. Brothers, B-R-O-T-H-E-R-S, brothers, B-R-O-T-H-E-R-S, brothers. Invented, I-N-V-E-N-T-E-D, invented, I-N-V-E-N-T-E-D, invented the, T-H-E, the aeroplane, A-E-R-O-P-L-A-N-E, A-E-R-O-P-L-A-N-E, aeroplane. Wright brothers invented the aeroplane. Finish? Put full stop. Have you written fill-ups, children? Okay. Shall I read? Have to listen, okay? When I read, you have to listen carefully. After that, you have to read, children. So, all of you listen carefully. Brun Carlvan invented the cycle. Brun Carlvan invented the cycle. Say all of you. Brun Carlvan invented the cycle. Say all of you. Say louder, louder. Brun Carlvan invented the cycle. Brun Carlvan invented the cycle. Read all of you. Brun Carlvan invented the cycle. Brun Carlvan invented the cycle. Okay, then second one, Carl Benz invented the automobile. Carl Benz invented the automobile. Carl Benz invented the automobile. Say all of you. Carl Benz invented the automobile. Then third one, James Watt invented the steam engine. James Watt invented the steam engine. Say all of you. James Watt invented the steam engine. Very good. Then fourth one, Wright brothers invented the aeroplane. Wright brothers invented the aeroplane. Very good. Read all of you. Wright brothers invented the aeroplane. Very good. All are reading nicely. So now read first one. Brun Carlvan. Brun Carlvan invented the cycle. Second one, Carl Benz invented the automobile. James Watt invented the steam engine. Wright brothers invented the aeroplane. Okay, you have to study every day. Okay, children. Today itself you have to study this all the inventors' name. Okay, inventor names and their invention also. Okay, you have to study. This will come the match the following also. Okay, it will come the match the following also. So you have to study correctly and study the spelling also. Okay, children. Say and write. Okay, always whenever you have to write, you have to say and write. Okay, children. Next, who am I? Leave one line and write who am I. Leave one line and write who am I. Who am I? W-H-O, who, A-M-M, I. Who am I? Put question mark. Who am I? Finished? Leave one line and write first one. I run on rails. I run on rails. I run, R-U-N, run, O-N on, R-A-I-L-S, rails, R-A-I-L-S, rails. I run on rails. Answer, ma'am எப்படி எழுதிருக்கணும் அந்த மாதிரியே எழுதணும். Okay, first line you have to write the question and next line you have to write the answer. After that leave one line and write second one. Okay, so you have to write like that. Okay children, then only your note will be so beautiful. Okay, you can see and you can study. Okay, so write like that. Okay, I run on rails. Have you written children? Answer, next line you have to write answer. Next line, train, T-R-A-I-N, 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 train. I run on rails. Answer, train, T-R-A-I-N, train. Finished? Then second one, I am found in villages. I am found in villages. I A-M-M, F-O-U-N-D, found, I-N in, villages, V-I-L-L-A-G-S, villages. Bullock carts, B-U-L-L-O-C-K-S, bullocks, B-U-L-L-O-C-K-S, bullock carts, C-A-R-T-S, carts, bullock carts. You can write donkeys also, mules also. You can write any one. Okay, that also correct only. Okay, we can found in villages. Yes. So I am given bullock carts. You can write anything. We can found in villages. You can write donkeys and any other. Okay, like that any others also you have to write. Okay, but now in classwork you have to write bullock carts, B-U-L-L-O-C-K-S, bullock carts, C-A-R-T-S, bullock carts. I am found in villages, bullock carts. Finished? Then leave one line and write third one. I run on road. I run on road. I run, R-U-N, run, O-N on, road, R-O-A-D, road. I run on road. Answer, car, C-A-R, car. Here also we can write any other vehicles. Run on road, yes. Car, bus, auto, bike, scooter, like that many vehicles can run on road, yes. So you can write any other vehicles also. But in class or note you have to write this car. After that in the exam you can write any others also. Okay, so write I run on road. Answer, car, C-A-R, car. Okay, then fourth one, I fly in the sky. Sorry, I fly in air. I fly in the air. I fly, F-L-Y, fly, in, I-N, in, T-H, the, A-I-R, air, A-I-R, air. I fly in the air. The answer, next line you have to write answer. Next line, aeroplane, A-E-R-O-P-L-A-N-E, plane, aeroplane, A-E-R-O-P-L-A-N-E, aeroplane. Finish? Leave one line and write fifth one. I sail on water. I sail on water. I-S-A-I-L, sail. I sail, S-A-I-L, sail. O-N on, sail on. Water, W-A-T-E-R, water. W-A-T-E-R, water. I sail on water. Answer, ship, S-H-I-P, S-H-I-P. You can write boat or any other. water transport we can write, okay, but here we need to write ship, okay. In classwork we have to write ship, this answer only. Okay, can you written, children? Have you written? Okay, can you read now? Okay, listen carefully all of you. While reading you have to listen, after that you have to read, okay children. So all of you listen. First one, I run on rails. I run on rails. The answer is train, okay. Second one, I am found in villages. Bullock carts. And then next, third one, I run on rail. I run on road. I run on road. Car. I fly in the air. Aeroplane. I sail on water. Ship. Finished. All of you have to read, okay now. Read, children. Yes, very good. I run on rails. Yes. Then answer train. Yes. Next one. I found in villages. I am found in villages. Say answer. Bullock carts. Yes, very good. Read louder. Have you eaten in the morning? So read loudly. Okay, next one. I run on road. Yes. Next answer car. And fourth one. I fly in the air. Answer aeroplane. Very good. Then fifth one. Read louder. I sail on water. Yes. Answer ship. Very good. All are reading nicely. Yes. So very good, children. Yes. So you have to study that. Okay. Today classwork fill up. Who am I? And one more 2 question answer. Okay. So you have to study today classwork today itself. Okay, children. That is very good habit. Okay. You have to do that. Okay. Now finished fill up. Who am I? Now leave one line and write answer the following. Okay, leave one line, write answer the following. Answer ANSWER. Answer ANSWER. Answer THE the following. 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 Answer the following. Answer the following. Finished? Leave one line and start to write first question. How did people in olden times travel or carry loads? How did people in olden times travel or carry loads? Okay, the answer, in olden times people walked on foot or used animals to travel or carry loads. Okay, children. So write question first. How did HOW how did did people people in olden times in olden times times travel travel CARRY carry loads loads. How did people in olden times travel or carry loads? Have you written, children? Olden times la people எப்படி travel பண்ணாங்க, அவங்களோட லோட எப்படி கேரி பண்ணி கொண்டு போனாங்க, அதான் question. Okay, now right answer. In olden times people walked on foot. Olden times la people என்ன எப்படி போனாங்களா, walking. Okay, walking from one place to other place, and also they are using animals to carry the loads. Okay, right answer in olden times in olden, olden times, times, olden times. In olden times, people, people, people. In olden times, people walked, 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 walked on, on foot, foot, foot. Foot means padangal, okay, foot. Or walked on foot, or used, used. Animals, 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 animals. To travel, to travel, 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 travel. Or carry loads, carry, carry loads, loads, loads. Carry loads, loads, carry loads. Okay, have you written, children? Shall I read first question now? How did people in olden times travel or carry loads? Okay, answer: in olden times, people walked on foot or used animals to travel or carry loads. Have you written, children? Okay, then leave one line and write second question. What brought a great change in transport? What brought a great change in transport? Right? What? W-H-A-T. What? W-H-A-T. What? Brought. B-R-O-U-G-H-T. B-R-O-U-G-H-T. Brought a great change. G-R-E-A-T. Great. G-R-E-A-T. Great change. C-H-A-N-G-E. Change. C-H-A-N-G-E. Change. In transportation. In transportation. T-R-A-N-S. T-R-A-N-S. P-O-R. T-A-T-I-O-N. T-A-T-I-O-N. Transportation. T-R-A-N-S. P-O-R. T-A-T-I-O-N. Transportation. Put question mark. Then write answer. In the invention. T-H-E the. Invention. I-N-V-E-N-T-I-O-N. Invention. The invention. T-H-E the invention. I-N-V-E-N-T-I-O-N. Invention of wheel. O-F of wheel. W-H-E-W-E-L. W-H-W-E-L. Invention brought. B-R-O-U-G-H-T. Brought. B-R-O-U-G-H-T. Brought a great change. A great. G-R-E-A-T. Great change. C-H-A-N-G-E. C-H-A-N-G-E. Great change in transportation. I-N in transportation. T-R-A-N-S. P-O-R-T-A-T-I-O-N. Transportation. T-R-A-N-S. P-O-R-T-A-T-I-O-N-S. N. Transportation. Have you finished, children? Shall I read? Listen carefully. What brought a great change in transportation? What brought a great change in transportation? Read, all of you. Read louder. What brought a great change in transportation? Very good. Now read answer. The invention of wheel brought a great change in transportation. Okay, the invention of wheel brought a great change in transportation. Say, all of you. The invention of wheel. The invention of wheel brought a great change in transportation. Say again one time. The invention of wheel brought a great change in transportation. Very good. All of you read first question, children. How did people in olden time travel or carry loads? In olden time, people walked on foot or used animals to travel or carry loads. Very good. Then second one, what brought a great change in transportation? The invention of wheel brought a great change in transportation. Okay, children, have you written? Okay, now today I have to study fill in the blanks, who am I, and these two question answer. Can you study, children? I hope you can do. Yes, you can study. Yes, I hope you can study. So today itself you have to study. Okay, children, study and write and see in your rough note. And when you are coming to school, that time you have to bring this rough note. Okay, I have to see whatever you study, how you are studying, how you are written. I have to see that. Okay, children. So all of you study and write your rough note. Bring that note in the school. Okay, when you are coming to school, you have to bring it. Okay, I have to see that. Okay, children. I hope you are study. Okay, you can do. Okay, children. Then have you finished classwork? Then take your homework notes, homework page. You have written classwork and homework in same note as. So you have to write the homework backside. Yes. So take your homework page. Have you taken, children? Write today date and day. Write today date and day, all of you. Have you written? The classwork and homework every day you should write the date and day. Okay, children? Okay, now write find and write the fill in the blanks. Find and write fill in the blanks. Okay, find from the book, answers in the book. Okay, so you have to find the answers from the book. Okay, children. Book page number 23, 24 you have to read. Okay, page number 23 and 24. This two pages only the answers. Okay, so I have to find the answers from the book. Okay, have you written find and write fill-ups? Okay, the first one, a dash company has made the world's first underwater car. Okay, தண்ணிக்கு அடியில் போகக்கூடிய காரை first கண்டுபிடிச்ச கம்பெனி. The world first company, Swiss company. Okay, the answer is Swiss. Yes, you have to read the book and search the answer and write the correct spelling. Okay, children. Okay, write a dash company, COMPANY, COMPANY company has has made, made the the world, WORLDS world, WORLDS world first, FIRST first, FIRST first, underground, UNDER underwater, WATER underwater, UNDER underwater, WATER underwater, car, CAR. A dash company has made the world's first underwater car. Finish, children. Leave one line and write second one. The world first underwater car name is dash. Okay. The world, the world, WORLDS world first, FIRST first, underwater, UNDER underwater, WATER underwater, car, CAR car, Name is N-A-M-E-S. Name is I-S is name. I-S is dash. The world first underwater car name is dash. Finish. Leave one line and write third one. Dash and dash are the water transport. Dash and dash are the water transport. A-N-D and dash A-R-A-R T-H-E the water W-A-T-E-R water transport T-R-A-N-S-P-O-R-T water transport. Finish. Put full stop and write fourth one. Cycling helps to lose dash. C-Y-C-L-I-N-G C-Y-C-L-I-N-G Cycling helps H-E-L-P-S helps to T-O-2 loss L-O-S-E loss dash. Cycling helps to loss dash. Have you written, children? Okay, these 4 fill-ups today homework. Okay, you have to find the answer from the book, page number 23 and 24. You have to find the answer correctly and write neatly. Handwriting should be always neat. Don't disturb others. You have to find the answer. Okay. No need to ask any answer to your father or mother or brother. Anything. No need to ask. Okay. You have to ask. You have to read the book from the page number 23 and 24. Okay, you have to read and write the correct answer. Okay, children. Then you have to study today classwork and write and see. Okay, children. I know you are a good children. Yes, you are a good children. Yes, I know that. So you have to study every day and write and see. Okay, children. Then we will see our next class. Okay, children. Have a nice day. Okay, bye.